You have 45 plus 8. Give you a second to think about that. Go ahead and type your answer into the chat. What is 45 plus 8? Oh, Yolanda came in with a 53. Brenda with a 53. Yolanda, can you tell us, how did you get 53?
Yes, I took the number 8, and I know that 5 plus 3 is 8. So I broke up the number 8. And so then I took 45 plus 5 is 50, plus 3 is 53.
Oh, very nice. So you decompose the 8 to be able to help you to get to the answer 53. So I want you to keep using the things that you're noticing about your strategies to continue to find the answers to these. Let's look at this last one right here. So here's this last one. So I want you to think about, what is 45 plus 16, and how can you use some of the things that you've been doing to help you determine this one? So what I want to do here is I want to use this number line to help me solve this problem. So I'm going to take this screen and come out of present mode so that I can maneuver this number line a little bit. So Yolanda, I'm going to come to you first, if that's okay. So looking at this number line, we had the problem 45 plus 16. Now, you typed your name in the chat, so you came up with an answer, but can you help me put your strategy to this number line? What was the first thing that you did to determine what 45 plus 16 is?
I looked at the number 16 and I decomposed it again. And so I know that 16 is 10 plus 6.
Okay. So when so you put that to 10 plus 6. So tell me, what did you do with that 10 and that 6 and that 45? How did you then put those numbers together?
Okay, so I put the number 40. I started with the number 45. So yes. And then I know that 45 plus 10 is 55.
Oh, so I went up from 45, went up 10 right here.
Yes.
So add this right here to the number line. And when we added the 10 right here, what did you get to when you added the 10?
45 plus 10 is 55.
Okay, so we got 55 right here.
Yes.
And then tell me what happened next.
And then when I got to 55 plus 6, I was a little confused. So I just counted up. And I counted up and so I put 55 in my head. And then I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on my fingers. And that got me to 61. So I actually used one finger for each little jump to get to 61.
Oh, okay. So let me see if I can get this to come back up on me.
Yes.
She's in there somewhere. Okay, so you went ahead right here. You went up 1.
Yes.
Get a little taller. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6.
Yes.
So when you
So
added
I counted by 1.
You counted by 1. So altogether, we know that this jump right here, even though it was counted by 1s, all of these together equaled 6, right?
Yes.
There we go. So when you added those 6 right here, so you added 1 plus 1, so I can actually change this. So you did 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, right?
Yes.
Let's see what that looks like on here.
One more.
One more. Thank you. And when you added the 1 plus the 1 plus the 1 plus 1, what did you end up with down here?
I ended up with 61.
Ended up with 61.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, nice job. So looking at the work that she did right here, Brenda, can you kind of revoice what Yolanda did to determine that 45 plus 16 is 61?
So she knew that when she added 10 to 45, that changed the 10's place to 50, and the 1's place stays the same, so 55, and then she added 6 more. So she counted on 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, and 61.